Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Today I have this carpet cleaner from Parkside, the model PWS 20D3 with 2-in-1 combination system with spray and suction hose, power consumption 1600 watts, suction power 250 air watts, max volume pressure 16 kPa with stainless steel container 20 liter. Accessories included with a 3 years warranty. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. We have one carpet and upholstery cleaner 100 ml. Here we have two suction hose with a spray hose at the suction hose, and you can connect these two together. Press and it will lock. We have in this button, press the button to release. Then we have the suction hose, spiral suction hose. Here we have the air control at the front. Then the lever for spray function. And press the lever and this lock button and it will work continuously. Press the lever, unlock. And then we have this transparent spray hose on the suction hose from the one end to the other. We need to connect these two at the main unit. I will show you later. And of course here you can connect this tube. There's the connection. Press and it will lock. So easy. And to unlock again, press this button and unlock. I'm sure we have so many accessories inside the main unit, and we're gonna find out all about together. Here we have the water tank, the clean water tank with capacity 4 liters, and of course you can pull that and remove. We have the cover, you can refill from the cover here. The connection. And the installation again is very easy. That's all. And of course at the front we have 7.5 meters of power cord. Wow, very convenient. Here it is the drainage. Remove that. And you can empty all the water. Silicone rubber at the front. Left and right, here we have the locks, the handle, but first remove the container for the water, and then with the handle you can remove the motor. We have in this foam filter. You can remove that, wash it, or you can replace it. It is very easy. And of course at the front we have the on-off switch and the pump switch with LED indicator. Now let's see all the accessories included at the box. And of course included we have the manual. If you want to read, is your choice, but stay with me, you can find out all about this product. The paper filter bag, huge. If you want, you can use this filter bag. and you can install it here. And there it is. I'm not going to use the filter bag. The filter bag, you can use it only for dry suction. We have the floor nozzle, brass on the front and with rubber, adjustable 360 degrees. You can connect that here, or you can connect it directly here. It is your choice how you want to use this vacuum. The grease nozzle, the same, you can connect it directly here or at this tube. The cushion nozzle for more sensitive areas. The washer nozzle, upholstery, and then you can connect it here. And with a button, press the button and release. Or the washer nozzle for carpets. I think the main reason that you are buying this carpet cleaner, it is to clean your carpet. And of course you can use it, as I mentioned, and for dry cleaning dust. And you can connect that here with a button, press to release. But obviously you need the tubes, so connect that at the tubes and then connect the tubes at the spiral hose. And release. And we have these 4 wheels. I need to install the wheels here. 1, 2, 3, 4. You don't need any screws. Press, slide, press and lock it. And you can move around. Huge container, 20 liters. At the front I need to connect the spiral hose here. Press and locks, and then the tube for the water. Press and lock. Press the button to unlock. Same for the spiral hose. And of course we have some storage. One goes here, the other here. Don't forget, and the container for the clean water. And some other accessories. One here, the other here. And you can have in the spiral hose in that position. And the cable here. So everything are very tight at the correct position for storage, and the handle. Now let's move on for cleaning. It's about time to test this carpet cleaner. The user-friendly controls ensure a hassle-free operation, even for those new carpet cleaning. The cleaner features a dual tank design that separates clean water and cleaning solution from dirty water, allowing for more effective cleaning and eliminating the need to refill frequently. The lightweight and ergonomic design makes it easy to maneuver around your home. Is suitable for various surfaces, including carpets, rugs, and upholstery. Equipped with a robust motor, delivers strong suction power that efficiently lifts dirt, stains and allergens from carpets and upholstery, ensuring thorough cleaning. With its powerful cleaning capabilities, user-friendly design and versatile features, this carpet cleaner is perfect for anyone looking to keep their home fresh and spotless. Whether you are cleaning with pet stains, spills or general dirt buildup, it can help you achieve professional level cleaning results in the comfort of your own home. It comes with interchangeable nozzles and brushes to tackle different cleaning tasks. Its compact design allows for easy storage in closets or utility rooms without taking up much space. and with the integrating tank for cleaning solutions, ensuring you have everything you need in one unit for convenient operation. The Parkside Carpet Cleaner is a reliable and effective solution for maintaining clean carpets and upholstery. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and share your experiences in the comments below. Be sure to subscribe for more reviews, tips and home appliance insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.